Now we're given this value here, this ratio, and in this one we're told that person's height to arm span is 32 to 24. And so we're going to draw this as height to arm span. We're going to draw two ratios. So the first one is 32 to 24. Now, I'd make it a little bit easier on yourself, and if you didn't do this in your question, you should get the same answer if you did everything correctly. But I would have reduced this to lowest terms, because this is 32 to 24, 8 divides into both, so this is the same thing as 4 to 3. When you divide 32 by 8, you get 4. When you divide 24 by 8, you get 3. So I'm going to use the ratio 4 to 3, even though if you use 32 to 24, you should get the same answer. And so now we want to know how tall a person is. So let's say, let T represent how tall the person is. So T is how tall the person is, and because height is on the left-hand side of our ratio, comes first, then we're going to put T there, and arm span comes second, so we're going to put 144 over here. So now we can set up our proportions. So 4 over 3 is equal to T over 144. And we should be able to estimate, because here in the ratio, arm span is smaller than the height, so therefore we expect a number greater than 144. So if you made a mistake on your the way you set up your ratio, then you should be able to catch that mistake if you are careful about looking at what your answer is. So 3 times T when we cross multiply, and we got to go 4 times 144, and and 4 times 144 is 576. And we divide both sides by 3. So T is equal to, and 576 divided by 3 is 192. So if the person's arm span is 144 centimeters, therefore the person is 192 centimeters tall.